Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add background music in Canva video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add background music in Canva video, all you gotta do is simply go to Canva. Once you're in your Canva, all you gotta do is simply select a video project. Once you've selected your video project as well, all you gotta do now is simply go and tap on add music. So once you tap on add music or add audio, you can simply find like different kind of options like soft background music for video and stuff like this. So you can simply select any of the music and audio you want to use as your background music in Canva videos. So this way you can select anything. You can put your own music as well by uploading it through your own files, and this is how you can simply add background music in Canva videos. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.